Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
All right, let's talk laundry. Isn't that everybody's favorite chore? I live in a house with 4 people, 2 teenagers and my husband, and if I don't keep control over the laundry, it will overtake my house. And that is a simple task with this beautiful laundry hamper. This laundry hamper from Jetty Logistics is exactly what I was looking for. I love that it has 2 spacious compartments to keep your dirty laundry organized. But it's not only for dirty laundry, you can use it in any place in your house. I love how easy it was put together right out of the box. I looked at the instructions and I was ready to go. They were very simple to read and everything you needed was right there. Once it is put together with its fiber rods and its bamboo frame, it is ready to be put to use. And I love how durable this is. My life is very busy and I need something that's going to stand up to it, and this is definitely proven to do that. It's lightweight and easy to haul around with its side handles, even when it's full of dirty laundry. Then you simply untoggle the baskets and take them out and you're ready to do laundry. But it's not just good for laundry. You could use this storage bin for anything that you want it to. It's very versatile. You could put it in your kids' room with toys. You could use it as a place to store your pillows from your couch or your bedroom. Whatever you want to use it for, it's going to help you stay a little bit organized, and isn't that wonderful when you're a mom and a wife? It's a beautiful storage bin for all of your needs.
And that's my point of view.